The senior Jamaican national cricket team, the 4-day team, the Jamaica Scorpions, are currently playing their last game of the season against the Trinidad and Tobago Red Force right here at Sabina Park. And of course, not even the proverbial man or his dog down there watching. That aside though, you all realize that things have gotten so bad in the cricket at the national level that we don't even care about the results anymore. While people stop going to Sabina to watch the games, but they still would ask the score and who make runs and who take wickets and how much there's left. But you all realize, not even that we don't care about anymore. And it doesn't help that once again, our dearly beloved Jamaica Scorpions are close to dead last again. Which obviously contributes to the apathy of us, the fans. Sad to see though, cricket at the national level has become so irrelevant to people who were once ardent cricket fans. So sad. Me feel so bad. You have to whisper.